Okay, hi. Hello everyone. Har Har Mahadev. Hope you all guys can hear me. Hey, hi. Hello everyone. Can you guys hear me?
Yes.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Once you guys are able to see my screen,
Yes,
just
sir.
do let me know. Har Har Mahadev. Be muted. You all people know about array, I think, but yeah, still I'll cover all the things. Once you guys are able to see my screen, just do let me know. I have shared my screen, but it's in loading state. Be muted. Be muted. Okay, so break statement clear है सबको? Okay, perfect.
Yes, sir.
So after array, we'll start what? Oops concept, na?
Right.
Okay. Once you guys are able to see my screen, just to let me know, Babu.
Yes, Shami, we can see.
You guys are able to see my paint screen?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just I wanted to check, like you guys are getting benefit from the Q Idea platform in terms of Q Idea WhatsApp channel, Q Idea Telegram. You people are getting benefit or not?
Yes. 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 Some questions,
Yes,
notes,
And
openings.
openings. Yes.
So everything
It is
is
very
there, right?
helpful.
Like completely sync में चीजें चलती है हमारे यहाँ पे. Like team will definitely share all the openings in morning time, evening time. They will share you the knowledge sharing content. Then after in between, if I get chance, I usually start sharing some of the things. So today itself, I found one SQL handwritten note. So I have shared to my team, and I hope my team shared.
Yeah,
Did you
share.
guys?
Yeah, yeah, got it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, we have received that.
Okay. So the reason behind it, some people were talking about, कि, hey Shami, the SQL is not in our syllabus. So do you have anything that can help us for the SQL part? Then I thought, कि, चलो ठीक है, if we'll have anything, we'll definitely share. And this note is really very nice. If you people will see now, like SQL, like what is SQL? So it is your non-procedural language, which was introduced by IBM in 1970s. Everything is there. So if you will go through now, you will get the entire info. You can see. So these all
Yes.
things are very, 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 very important. So please don't think like that. Ki, acha, see, if you will go with the Telegram, in Telegram, we have set the disappearing message for 3 days. So within the 3 days, this all things will be completely flushed off. At the same time, over WhatsApp, we have a disappearing message after 7 days. So that's the reason. Make sure if I'm sharing anything, these all things you people are keeping somewhere else, okay, with you. So that is going to be work for you all members, okay. And if anyone who did not join the Telegram channel yet, you can join. Already I have shared the link, right? Like join Telegram something.
Yes, yes.
Yes,
I will
sir.
Share in your online group. So if anyone who did not join yet QIDEA Telegram channel, please go and join at any cost. I'm going to share for all online groups. So if you did not join yet, make sure you people are joining on time. Okay, that will work because see, a lot of things we usually share there. Telegram and WhatsApp. So WhatsApp is the additional task currently for me to get added. But yeah, for Telegram, at least I can share the link. If you are not there, you can join. I hope you people receive.
Yes, Shami.
एक मिनट दे दो यार, देन स्टार्ट करते हैं। आज ज्यादा नहीं है, दैट्स द रीजन, थोड़ा आराम कर लेते हैं। So if anyone who did not join the Telegram one, so please join it. Okay. You people are able to see my screen, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
1 minute, huh? ठीक है। Array. Okay. So Babude, if we are talking about array and if we are talking about array list, what is array first?
Array is collection of values.
Okay.
Like
Okay. Now I'll tell you in terms of real-time implementation. Directly I'll tell you in terms of real-time implementation. That is going to be work with us. And Babude, I have shared all the recordings, right?
Yes.
Any recording which is pending? No, no.
No.
Shami, you have shared the recordings. Is it available on the email as well? Can you share it on the email too?
Only WhatsApp.
Only WhatsApp? Okay.
शमी आपने ओल्ड बैच में भी शेयर किया है क्या?
टेलीग्राम का लिंक क्या?
नहीं ये वीडियोस का
नहीं यार, ओल्ड बैच में मैंने अप्रैल बैच का पूरा शेयर किया है, जो आप देख सकते हो। न्यू बैच का मैं हमेशा आखिरी में शेयर करता हूँ ओल्ड बैच वालों। इतना तो
ओके
डिफरेंस होना चाहिए ना न्यू मेंबर एंड ओल्ड मेंबर में, राइट?
राइट
Now I'll come to my part. Be muted. So Babude, the very first thing, what is Java array? Java array is nothing. It is a collection of, as people told, it is a collection of data. That's it. It is a collection of data. Is it clear, Babu?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So if we are talking about it is a collection of data, then why it is required? The very first thing which we are going to understand now, the very first thing, like if we are talking about array, if we are not implementing the array and at the same time someone will tell you, "Kidai, go and print the value from 1 to 5." So for printing value 1 to 5, what exactly you will do? Now you have two options. One option, you will go and define int a equal to 1, sysout 1, so sorry, sysout a, Babu. Then after int b equal to 2, sys out b, int c equal to 3, sys out c, int d equal to 4, sys out 4, sys out e, and int basically e equal to 5, sys out e, like this. This is a generic practice which we have used before. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is the one way. Second way, for 1 to 5 if you wish to print. So for int I equal to 1, I is less than equal to 5, I plus plus, and then sys out what? I. This is the
I.
second way.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Now the third way, which is basically by the help of array. So how? If we are talking about by the help of array, so we can say int a equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and sys out a of 0, a of 1, a of 2, a of 3, a of 4, something like that by the help of indexing. We can do that. We can do that.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, sir.
So in both the cases previously, what exactly we did? We have defined, we have initialized the value. Then in one case, we have separately initialized. In another case, by incrementing, we are changing the value of I. And in this case, we are collecting all the value in a single group. Yes or no? This is a
Yes, sir.
collection of multiple datas or not? If yes, then you can say array means what? Array means if you're talking about it's a collection of data which we can use. Now, int a, and after that, if you are using a squared braces, that means you are going to create an integer type array. So in the same manner, I will go int c. Babude, like this. That means what? That means what? That means
Int array.
you are going to create an integer type c array. Right. Now a string D, a string array, object E, object array, like that. Is it clear, Babu? Babu, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So now it is a collection of multiple datas. Multiple data that has continuous memory location. Right, Babu? Right? It is a collection of multiple data that has continuous memory location. Continuous memory location means what? If array works on the basis of index, then index will start from 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. So continuously memory will get allocated or not?
Yes, sir.
That is the reason we say like it is a collection of multiple data that has continuous memory location. Pakka clear? Now, similar type of multiple data. So Babude, if you are going to create integer array, then only integer type value you can store. If you wish to go with a string type array, then you will store only a string value. If you will go with character type array, then you will store character type value. Right? Right. So we can say like it is a collection of similar type of multiple data that has continuous memory location because of data type. Yes or no? Yes
Yes.
or no? Okay.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Now, array is index based. So, first element of the array is stored at 0 index. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So if you are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so 1 will get stored at 0 index, 2 will at first index, 3 will at second index, 4 will at third index, and 5 will at fourth index.
4.
So
4.
what would be the maximum index? So if anyone asks you in array, what would be the maximum index? So wait, not 4. Total number of elements minus 1.
Yeah, minus
Total number of element. Total how many number of elements? 5, na? 1, 2, 3,
5.
4, 5. 5 minus 1, that is the max index, which is 4. Why? Because indexed start from
0.
0.
0. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Remaining all Babure, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
Shami.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the advantage of array? The very first is advantage, which is code optimization. You can make it in a single line of code. Correct? The second thing, what?
Consume less memory.
Iteration.
Fast execution. Correct? Okay. Now, types. So we'll have two types of array. One will be single dimensional array. Second one will be multi-dimensional array. Capture the screenshot.
Done.
Remaining all, you guys are done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Chali. So we'll start with now programming. I'll wait for 1 more minute for the lazy fellow. Give me 2 minutes of time. I'll come back in like 2 to 3 minutes. Yes, guys. Yep. You guys are able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So the batch is 3rd of July, na? Array 1. See. Now, if we are talking about defining an array, so how we define an array? So this is the easiest one. Earlier, what we were doing? Directly int a equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is something. So suppose if now you wish to declare or define one array, so how you can do that? So int a, like this is not defining, this is declaring actually. So int a equal to new int 5. So Babu, this int a, after that we are passing a square braces new int 5. That means we are declaring one array. What is the size of this array? 5. Right? Right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if suppose the size of array is 5, so now suppose if you wish to print the length of an array, like printing the length of an array. Suppose if you wish to print the length of an array, then sys out a dot length, yes or no.
Yes, sir.
What is the length of array? 5.
5.
5.
Okay. Okay. Now suppose you wish to print default value of an int array. How you can do that? So for int I equal to 0, I is less than a dot length. A dot length, that means what? The value 5. 5. Ray Babu, a dot length,
Yes.
this is giving you 5 na. So a dot length, that is 5. So int
Yes,
I
sir.
equal to 0, we are defining index here 0 and max index will be 4, right? So if the value of I will be less than a dot length, that means the max value will be 4 only, na? Because max value of a is 5 currently. A dot length is 5. So if I is less than 5, then what is the maximum value? 4 only, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You're fine. So a of 0, that means it will print what? Value. But if we did not pass any value, then it will give you complete one like 0, 0, 0, because the default value of int is 0.
Infinite.
You can see 0. Babu, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you
Okay.
please repeat again?
What? What I need to repeat, Babu? Already I have completed my for loop. Already I have completed this one, a of I1 in the variable 4. Then what you are looking for repetition here? Tell me, Sunil.
Okay, fine. I will go with regarding noise. Thank you.
You will go through, that's fine. But what exactly you did not understand? Please tell me, na?
The default value you declared that 14th line.
This is not default value. A dot length, which is 5. This int I equal to 0. This is the initialization of variable. This is not default. Default value by default it comes if you are not passing any value of integer a of I. Like a of 0, that means at 0 you already defined variable, declared an array. But for all that, like what exactly you are doing, I'll tell you. You guys are done with the screenshot?
Yes.
Yes.
If suppose
Yes,
we'll
yes.
have 5 different, like this, we have the array collections. So here suppose first block, second block, third block, fourth block, and fifth block. So you have defined A5, but you did not pass any value till now. So what is the type of array? Integer type, na?
Yes, yes.
Integer type. So what is the default value of int at the time of data type? I told 0, na?
0.
If you did not pass any value till that time, what would be the default value? 0, 0.
Yes, yes. Clear.
Now a of I, that means at first what is the value of I, which is 0. So a of 0, that means at 0 index, what is the value? 0, na?
True.
Then first index, this is the 0th index. This one is first index. This one is second index. This one is third index. And this one is fourth index, right? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, for all the index, the value will be 0 only because you did not define any value yet. That's the reason you are getting printed 0, 0, 0. Right or wrong?
Yes.
Now suppose we are going to assign the value of an array. Now assigning value to an array. How? So suppose a of 0 equal to 65. A of 1, that is the index value, equal to 99. You can pass any value, right? A of 2 equal to 5. A of 3 equal to 10. A of 4 equal to 6. Now tell me, A of 0, that means here 65 will be set. Now 1, 99. Here 99. Then after 5, 10. 5, 10,
6.
6, like this, right? All the value will get stored by overriding 0. Now, if suppose someone will go and someone will try to print a of 5 or a of 5, if someone will go and define, syntactically it is completely correct, but in terms of execution it will fail. With what error? Java.lang. Add index out of context section.
Index out of point.
Want.
Correct. The reason the total scope is till a of 4, but you are going to pass a of 5, which is really not acceptable. Now, out of these all values, suppose if I wish to go and wish to print a of 2, this out a of 2. Yep. What will be the output? A of 2.
5.
5.
5.
5.
8. A of 2, which is 5. Now, you have defined array. Now you want to print all the array value. Like you have defined, you have assigned all the values, and then after, if suppose you wish to print all the values together, how you can do that? Like suppose if you wish to print all array elements, how you can do that? So for int I equal to 0, I is less than a dot length, the same code which we have used here, a dot length, right? I plus the same code, sys out a of I. Now tell me, before initializing the value was 0, and after initializing you can see the value. Babu, is it clear?
Sir, clear, sir.
Yes.
Capture the screenshot fatafat. The array is the easiest one, Ray. It's not like that. It is rocket science. Babu, done?
Done.
If
Yes, sir.
anyone will ask you why we need to create an array, what should be our answer? Because of code optimization. That's it. That's it. Array से तुमको benefit क्या मिल गया? सिर्फ code optimize हुआ, memory भी तो उतना ही consume हुआ. Are you getting my point? Babu? Okay. Now I have one question. In both the case previously, 1 से लेके 5 तक आपको प्रिंट करना था, 1 2 3 4 5 आपने प्रिंट कर दिया डायरेक्टली बाय डिफाइनिंग एंड बाय यूजिंग लूप. बट 1 2 3 4 5 आपको प्रिंट नहीं करना है. इफ यू डोंट वांट टू प्रिंट द continuous value, if you wish to print like something random value, in that case will your loop concept work? No, na.
No.
That's the reason array came in picture also. Okay, but yeah, for each loop you can use for the same, but in for each loop also you need to define array, right? So this is the array 1. You guys are done with the screenshot of array 1, na?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir.
If anyone who did not capture the screenshot, please take it on priority. Array 2. So this was the different fashion of array. At first you have declared, then after you assign the value. Now the previous approach which we took before, like suppose int b equal to correct. So what exactly we are doing? So now tell me one thing. We can write an array in below fashion as well. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so what you are doing here? You are defining an array. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, string s. Okay, Babu, is it clear till now? Like we have defined one integer array, another one is string array, right? Now, if you wish to include all the thing together, then which array? As usual, object array.
Object.
Right. So here, what exactly you are doing? This is object array, right or no? So in case of object array, we can define all the values together. Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. I hope it's crystal clean.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, sys out a dot length. What will be the total value? A. 8 not A, because total 5, then 6, then 7, then 8. 8. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
B dot
Yes, sir.
length.
5.
5.
Hmm.
2.
2.
2.
2.
So,
So let me check. I'm very weak in Java. You can see. Now, this length is not a method, because for each and every method, if you will see, this parenthesis should be there. But after this length one, this one is there. Tell me. So this length is a property of an array. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, sys out a of 5. What would be your output?
Selenium.
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 Okay, now sys out B of O.
Error.
5.
5.
5.
Hey, Vijay, leave the system.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Right now, Babu, I will go and I will change something. Like now, if I want to modify the value, so I'll go and explicitly I will use A of phi equal to automation. So earlier A of 5 was what? Selenium.
Selenium.
Now you modified this selenium with automation. So what exactly we are doing here? We are
Replace.
modifying an array value using index. Now sys out A of phi. What should be the output?
Automation.
Mission.
So let me check. You can say 852, then after selenium 5 hello, and then after automation. Capture the screenshot of array 2.
शमी आउटपुट भी दिखाइए.
ये ले लीजिए पहले स्क्रीनशॉट. ये अगर ले लिया तो फिर देता हूं. You guys are done with the screenshot?
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay, capture the screenshot of this output also. You guys will.
Done, sir.
Remaining all. You guys are done?
Done.
Done, sir.
Okay. Now, edit 3.
Static inside the stack.
Yep. I was looking for the same from you all.
Okay.
right? Now suppose any function. This is one of the method which I created, public static void passing array to method, and here I will pass as an argument one of the array, like suppose int c. Can I pass? So int c, I just pass one array reference like array parameter, and here now what I will do, I will define one variable, declare one variable or define one variable int b equal to c of 0. This c of 0, what is?
22.
22.
22. Right? Is it clear till now?
Yes.
Now,
Hello.
Babu, now I'll go and I will use your if statement. So if b is greater than equal to c of I, sys out b. Else sys out abcd. Babu, for int, if you will see here, this is something I'll explain, don't worry. Now here I will go with main method. How the output is coming, I will explain, don't worry. You can see 22, 22, abcd and 22. You can see?
Yes.
Okay, so now I will explain. So a static int c array equal to 22, 2, 44, 5. Is it clear till now? Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now I have created one method like public static void passing array to method int c. This integer c we are passing here. And then after int b equal to c of 0. Int b equal to c of 0. So if we are talking about c of 0, that means 22.
Yes.
Yes.
So that means this c of 0 is 22. Now, for int I equal to 0, I is less than c dot length. What is the c dot length? It's 4. So 0 is less than c dot length, I plus plus. So if b, what is b? Which is 22 now. So if 22 is greater than equal to c of I means what is the value of c, which is 0. So 22 is greater than or equal to C of I, which is C of 0. That means 22 only. Sys out B. So 22 is printing. Then after increment will happen and I will become 1. So now this 22 is greater than 2. So if it is greater than 2, you will see sys out B, which is 22. Right? Babu. Then after again one increment will happen and I will become 2 and 2, that means 44. So B is like 22 is greater than equal to 44. No, na. So it will not go and print the value of B. It will go to the else one and it will print ABCD. Then after the value of I will become 5. Why? Because the index will get increased na, and it will become 3. Index will be 3. So at index 3, what is the value? 5 na. So 22 is again greater than equal to 5. So it will go and print this out B, which is 22. Right? Is it clear or not? Now, this is your main method. Inside main method, you are calling this passing array to method, and this method is static. That's the reason we can directly calling this method. Because if you wish to call any of the static method directly, you can call by the help of name. Right or wrong? We have seen these all things, right?
Yes.
Sir.
Now, you are passing one of the array parameter. The same thing we are passing here. Right? So capture the screenshot. Babu, done?
Done.
Done.
Okay. I'll wait for next 1 or 2 minutes. Actually, my daughter health is not good. So please capture the screenshot fatafat. She's getting a lot of cough and she's
But
2 years
22, is
old.
it mandatory to have square braces after C?
See, after array, this square braces is mandatory. Either you can pass after the name of array or before. Okay, Rahul?
No, my point is, do we need to write it at line number 22 also? Passing array to method C, then square braces.
Not like that. You are passing the integer
Okay.
argument. That's it. Like you are passing the array na. By default, int you are passing. You are passing the name. If you will see, you are passing the name.
Yes.
You can see. You are passing
Okay.
the same. Don't worry.
It is
Anyway,
clear. Thank you.
please capture the screenshot, Babu. Done. Now, multi-dimensional array. So if you wish to define multi-dimensional array, so how you can do that? So multi-dimensional array, that means in 12th standard, I hope you people have learned about matrix form, right? Like row and column,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the same thing we are going to deal with here. So int a, now multi-dimensional, you can pass like this. How you can define? So now multi-dimensional, that means go with like this, and inside this curly braces, go and create a set of data with the curly braces. How? Suppose 1, 2, 3, 7. This is one set of data. Now another set of data. 4, 5, 6, 8. Now the another set of data. 7, 8, 9, 6. So this is your multi-dimensional array. So this is 1, 2, 3, 7. If you will see 1, 2, 3, 7. Then after 4, 5, 6, 8. 4, 5, 6, 8. Then after 7, 8, 9, 6. 7, 8, 9, 6. Like this. So here, Babu, 3 rows we have and 4 columns. Right or no? 3 by 4? Okay. So this is 3 by 4 matrix. This is 3 by 4 array, multi-dimensional array. So if you wish to get the total number of rows, like if you wish to get the total number of rows, so how you can do that? So int row equal to a dot length. That's it. A dot length. So a, that means it will consider the entire set of block as a single index values. If you will go with the outer cell, if you will come with the inner cell, then it will consider the 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Here two kind of basically, if you will see now, so 2 ways here indexing is getting allocated. So for the entire set of data, 0th, the entire set of data 1, and for this entire set of data 2. So this is about a row. If we'll come to the column, out of any rows, it will go and pick the first value as a 0th column, 0th index, then first, then second, then third, like this. Okay, so now a dot length, if you will talk about, so what is this length? As I told you before, like length is the property of an array, right? Now sys out total rows plus row, this row. Now see, it should come like 3. So it is verified. The entire set of values is considering like a first row. Is it clear? Now total number of columns. So int columns. So like not a dot length here, any row a of 0 dot length. Sys out total columns plus columns. That's it. Total columns 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you getting my point? So here
Yes.
the total column is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now total column is 1, 2, 3, 4. Just give me 1
Yes.
minute. Huh? Give me 5 minutes. Huh? Give me 5 minutes. So Babu, is it clear? Hey, this is done by my
Yes.
daughter. She's actually, her health is not well, so that's the reason she's along with me only. So might be you will get some disturbing sound. So please cooperate me. Huh? So Babu,
No.
now please tell me one thing. Like int columns, a of 0 dot length total column which is 4. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yeah.
Now,
Yes, sir.
if I want to print the total value like 1 2 3 7 4 5 6 8 7 8 9 6 in the same pattern, then how we can do that? So print all data in matrix form. How we can do that? So Babu, yesterday itself I told you regarding the outer loop and inner loop. So at first we'll introduce outer loop. So for int I equal to 0, I is less than row I plus plus, correct? Correct. I equal to 0, I less than row I plus plus. Now here I will go and I will introduce inner loop. This is for column. So for int j equal to 0, j is less than columns j plus plus. Now sys out like not ln print, so it will go in the same sequence of line. A of I j, and then after one space I will pass and here for one line break sys out. Now see, you can see the print statement.
Yes.
This is the way how we deal with capture the screenshot. Someone will really facing the difficulty to understand this one, but I already completed this one, so again I will not go in the same thing. If anyone who is joining the first day, you guys don't need to worry, you can refer recording. Still, if you will have any difficulty, you can get it done. So please capture the screenshot fatafat.
Done, sir.
Done, na? Okay. You guys are done with the screenshot?
Yes, sir.
This is
Okay. यार इटरेटर नहीं समझेगा तुम लोगों को अभी. एक काम करो. मैं मेरा काम करके निकल जाऊंगा, बट तुम लोगों को समझेगा नहीं. What I'll do? I'll hold for array list. Because I can complete it, but you will really not understand currently because there will use the iterator concept, has next. So that is the case. So we'll wait. Array part is done. Yes or no?
yes.
Okay. Now I'll come to array list, but not now. Just keep a reminder in your mind. Okay, once I will complete my what? This part, then we'll go with the array list. just keep in your mind. Once will be complete the handling pop-up new tab new window now, then we'll jump with the array list. Is it clear? You guys can make a note.
Array type, sir.
This one, just keep in your mind, capture the screenshot if you guys are looking for. Like once will be complete this part now,
Yes.
or do one thing, let me complete the oops concept and all these, then just tell me ki array list is pending. I'll complete immediate after that one. Okay, okay, is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Hey, Babu.
Yes.
Okay, now the case is tomorrow we are going to start our oops. I'll not take it today. The reason if I'll take it today, I'll not be able to complete even inheritance also. So that's the reason I'll not take it up. Or do one thing, yaar. पक्का तकलीफ होगा एडे लिस्ट में, नहीं तो मैं अभी बता देता, 5-7 मिनट लगते हैं. Anyway, we'll hold array list for now. So at least arrays में थोड़ा सा clarity ले लो. Just you guys need to take a clarity over arrays bit by the help of recordings. Also, we'll see multiple implementations. Then that will really beneficial for you all. Then after, what exactly we'll do? Once we'll complete our oops concept and these all things, then after exception handling, after that hash map hash table, then I will again come to array list. I'll complete it. Don't worry. Okay, is it fine? So by tomorrow we are starting our oops concept. Now everything we are done with. Now we are going to see our oops concept. So your session, Java session is not more than 3 to 4 days. Once your Java will be done, we'll immediately jump to our Selenium. Okay, is it clear, Babu?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so chaliye, today we'll take a break for today. Okay, so tomorrow we'll have session. We are going to start with oops one. Also one thing, if anyone who is having any query concern, कल बात करते हैं. बेटी का तबीयत ठीक नहीं है, तो that's the reason I'll have to take care of her also. So today evening itself I went to hospital and came. So if any doubt, any concern, don't worry. You can call me tomorrow. You can discuss over phone call. Also, what you can do, you can connect me after tomorrow. Not tomorrow, after tomorrow. The reason, once I will start my oops now, let's complete oops first. Like tomorrow and day after tomorrow, we'll complete our oops. And after that, you guys will have, if any query, I'll definitely entertain. The reason behind it now, till oops concept, I will cover all these things again once more with the oops one. The logic will come. So that's the reason. Might be if you will have any query, that will be covered in the oops only. Okay, is it fine for you all? कुछ भी डाउट होता है करना,
Yes, sir.
कल के बाद परसों पूछ लेना, कोई भी डाउट हो. Just wait. ठीक है? Down the line, if anyone who is joining your first session, make sure people are covering the recordings. So go ahead with the recording. Start from day one. And if you will have any difficulty, feel free to connect me over call. WhatsApp पे मैसेज मत करना, सीधे फोन घुमाना. WhatsApp पे मैसेज करोगे, तकलीफ मेरे साथ ये होता है, मैं मैसेज देखता हूँ, आई विल नॉट बी एबल टू रिप्लाई. कि अब देखो, तुमने कोई इश्यूज मुझे पूछा, वो इश्यूज को मैंने कंक्लूड कर दिया 2 लाइन में, समरी दे दिया. इट वुड बी रियली बी डिफिकल्ट टू अंडरस्टैंडिंग फॉर यू. सो दैट्स द रीजन व्हाट आई विल टेल यू कि focus with your queries over call. So what will happen now? So once I'll tell you, that will give you the more clarity. So be focused. If any issue, call me. Okay, I'll be able to resolve your query. ठीक है? आज नहीं, कल फोन करना. ठीक है? चलो. Thank you so much. हर हर महादेव. I'll share the recording tomorrow morning.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Sure.
Har Har Mahadev.
Take care of your